In a previous session, we understood the concept of retrieving array elements using pointers. Today, let us see how we can create an array of pointers, which means we can create an array of addresses with some data in the addresses referenced by the pointers. Now let us see this with a couple of C programs. Now let us create a pointer array for 7 addresses or 7 memory locations. So days is a pointer array of type character that can hold 7 addresses. And let us initialize these addresses with some default values. And Sunday. Okay, so we have created a pointer array that can hold 7 addresses, and these addresses are having the following strings. Now let us print the values using a for loop. Okay. In lines 14 through 18, we are making use of a for loop to print out the values. Let us build and run the code. To have it in separate lines, let us add a /n as well. Okay, so we have the values Monday till Sunday. Now to illustrate days is a pointer array, let us change the %s to %p. And print the addresses of these values. As you can see, we have print the addresses of these particular values. So let us see one more example which is the same thing. But to understand this particular concept better, let us further have a character pointer to point to the individual elements within this days array. Okay, and within the for loop, let us initialize p to point to the base address or to the beginning of the string. And let us make use of a while loop to iterate over each of the characters in the string. Okay, so we have in line number 4 pointer array for 7 addresses, and we have a character pointer p to point to each of the individual elements, and within the for loop we point p to the base address or to the beginning of the string in the days array, and for each of the character in the string we print out the characters. So let us build and run the code. Okay, so we have Monday to Sunday printed in this manner as well. So guys, that was C pointer arrays. Now apart from this, C also supports pointer pointers. Which basically are memory locations with address of a pointer. So that is all for this session. Thank you.